Potato soup in a microwave.
That's right, it's your boy, Chef Zach, and we're back turning a whole potato into a nice, delicious, homemade potato soup, all from your very own microwave. And it's all happening right here, right now, on Microwave Miracles. Let's go! Potato soup is one of my favorite recipes. You got the cheesiness, creaminess, potato starchiness, delicious. Unreal, it's delicious, and I'm going to show you how to do it. For this, we're going to start off with using our rapid mac and cheese cooker from episode 1. Holy grail, that's where all the magic's going to happen. It all starts with the base potato. Whole one, wash it, dry it, clean it up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut this up. I'm going to recommend cutting it into little fourths, and we can use the knife to scoop out cubes of potato. But in the end, we just want to get this cut up and cube it.
5 minutes later. A little longer than a few minutes later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Alright, once your potatoes are all cubed up, placed in there like that, spread them out, we're going to take a little chicken broth. Open this up. What we're going to do is we're going to add at least a little bit under a half a level to these potatoes. So you see, just under a half, don't overflow it. And then we're going to take some water, just plain old, good old water that you drink. We're going to add that on top until it's just at the top of the potatoes, like that. What we're going to do, toss this in the microwave for 5 minutes, stirring halfway through. Everything nice and cooked, you know, get it nice and tender so we can mash it up, combine it all, perfection.
11 minutes later.
Alright, let's see what we got going on here. So you can see that when you can actually break through the potato nice and easily, you can like touch it, it smashes, that's what we want. We want to be able to mash this all together, and that's exactly what we're going to do next. Alright, and once you have a consistency like that right there, you can see that potatoes are nice and like mashed. Honestly, kind of looks like applesauce, weird enough. But once they flavors nice to know each other, the chicken broth, the water, the potatoes, once they mash like that, we're on our way to perfection. Next, we're gonna add some heavy cream cheeses and get this perfect soup. And those potatoes were just the beginning of this soup. That's just the base, the thing that kind of puts it all together. It's potato soup, we all know. So now, what we're gonna do is take that potato base and add that punch of flavor. What we all love combines it all together. That's gonna start off with the cheese and heavy cream. Really get that creaminess, cheesiness to it. I go pepper jack, gives it a nice little kick as well as just a nice cheesy base to it. Now, cheddar. This is a classic for baked potatoes. It's literally like Romeo and Juliet of food. There's cheese and starchiness. Cheddar's where it's at. And once we get that cheese in there, we're just gonna take a little bit of heavy whipping cream. Open this bad boy up. Gonna give this a quick little stir. You just tell this is already gonna be really good. once that's all mixed, we're gonna come in, put it in here. We're gonna go in for about another minute or so, just for the cheese to really know it. Just to really get the cheese and potatoes to merge together in unison. Unison. All right, calming down on a minute right now. We're just gonna take it out, check at it. You can just start seeing the cheese. Oh, it's all coming together with the heavy cream and potatoes. Starting to get some really nice color on this too. It's incredible. You can see it really starting to take soup form. It just looks so good. Now, if you want this a little thicker, add some more cheese. That's what I'm going to do. I want it a little bit thicker than this. So I'm going to add a little bit more of our cheddar. You can already smell the pepper jack. It smells incredible. And now, this is also seasoned to your liking. I'm gonna go with a little garlic salt, a little pepper, some regular old salt, you know, get it a nice little touch, and some parsley. Parsley really just gives it that greens that it needs. Really mix it in all nice. Parsley. Yeah. I'm just gonna get that nice little quick little stir. Throw that in for another minute. Let that do the magic. Now that that's done, take it out one last time, get a good look at it, mix it all together. All that cheese to really thicken it up. Oh, this just formed so nicely. You can see right there, nice, thick, runny, cheesy potato seasoned goodness. You know what, just to add this a little extra flavor, can't have a loaded baked potato without cheese and bacon. Just can't do it. Add some chives to this if you want. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, bacon, add it in the middle, mix it all throughout. Top with a little bit of additional cheese. I love cheese, so don't judge me. A little more bacon on top. And that right there is just perfection. Ready for a photo shoot. That's it. One of the simplest recipes I've done, but one of, I gotta say, it's the best smelling, soon to be best tasting, but let's try this sucker out. Oh, that cheese pull. Come on, guys. Oh, man. You really still get the potato coming through. That cheddar and bacon, that's delicious. God. Wow. That is incredible, guys. This is a 10 out of 10. Better than Panera, better than anything. This is all coming from your microwave. Till next time, on Microwave Miracles.